Today's journal drawing prompt was inspired by Joseph Campbell. Follow your bliss and the universe will open doors for you where there were only walls. So we're going to start with the bottom of the door or where the wall is. And we're going to make the vertical lines down of the opening. Connecting the top with a horizontal line, that is the opening of the door, and then we're deciding to how much to have it open and having this line extend past the top of the opening and the bottom of the opening, because now this is the door that's blocking the view. We're connecting from the corners to the corner of the door. You can see it swung out a little bit, and now we're going to give the door some width. Connecting down with a vertical line. So even though I'm calling it the door, I'm choosing to not put any type of doorknob on it. And I'm erasing out, so you'll see that's the door in front of the opening. And I also chose to erase out a little bit of where that floor is, because I'm going to give it a little different feel. Putting it in marker so you can see it better, but again, I chose to not put any type of doorknob on it because this is what just appeared when you were following your bliss and something just opened up for you that you did not know was going to be there. Now you can put whatever you want outside that door. I chose to just do a blue sky to say it's nothing to be afraid of. Something good is outside the door, but you could just do a color, you could write a word. And so after you've done the drawing, take to your journal and also write on what following your bliss would entail for you.